Hola clase, today we are learning how to multiply and divide fractions. I will give you a step-by-step how to guide and then we'll make one example of each. Now before we get into it, I need to know how to obtain the reciprocal of a fraction, and remember that's just flipping it upside down. For the guide step-by-step, if I want to multiply, it's the easiest of all. I just need to multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. If what I want to do is to divide, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor fraction, the second fraction I see. Let's see that in an example. Here they ask me to multiply these two fractions, and remember I know that 3/4 times 2/5 is the same as 3/4 of 2/5, so the result is going to be a smaller portion than the original. What I'm going to do, I'm going to simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So if I do 3 times 2 over 4 times 5, that would give me 6 over 20. And that's the result. I could go and box it and be done with it. Now, we are not going to simplify this fraction. Let's pretend we didn't realize it's not the simplest form. That could be alright at this level because they are equivalent fractions. They represent the same value. Let's do another example, one for division. They ask me to do this division of fractions, and I know that to get the reciprocal of a fraction, I just flip the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 2/6 could be 6/2, because if I multiply these two things together, the result could give me 1. 12 over 12 is 1. And again, I'm not simplifying anything beforehand on purpose. We are focusing on the operation and we can simplify at the end. Okay, so knowing that 4/7 divided by 2/6 would be the same as 4/7 times 6/2, and that it's a multiplication like in the previous example. I just multiply numerators together, denominators together. 4 times 6 over 7 times 2, that gives me 24 over 14, and I could just box that answer as the final answer and I will be done. Now remember, you can always simplify, and it's the best thing to do if you can. So I could say that this 24 over 14 could be the same as, in our case, 12 over 7. Check on that simplification video, but otherwise we are done. Now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.